Um, the factual data or knowledge is that every 10-meter down in ocean depth sees an increase of water pressure at that depth of 1 atmosphere. So from the surface of the water, it's 1 atmosphere. 10 meters down, the surface at that plane, 10 meters down, a plane in the ocean, horizontal plane, because sea level is considered a horizontal plane, even though it's spherical, right? So 10 meters down is 2 atmosphere pressure, 20 meters down is 3 atmosphere pressure, 30 meters down is 4 atmosphere pressure, and so forth. Now the area that pressure acts through is the entire surface area of that plane around the Earth, where that water is, amount of water above to that depth. So that is like, having 4160 volts with energy density all around at that level, and not just at a point on a conductor by way of a mnemonic. Maybe it will confuse me and you too. Now, if you have a cup of water, you know, if you have just a pipe, a hollow pipe, and the bottom is sealed, and that pipe is on the earth, and the water column is 300 meters, what will be the pressure at the bottom of the pipe? Now that same pipe you put into the ocean vertically, what will be the pressure at the bottom of the pipe? Is this something that we overlooked? All scientists overlooked it, and engineers overlooked it too.